big girl on a mission.
What's up, Mission family? Hey, I just came from the gym. Now I'm about to go get Big Sexy washed up because she's still dusted and disgusted. And she ain't been washed since I took her and failed. So come with me to get Big Sexy washed. Thank you. Looking good. Oh, look at these windows. See through. A little self-care. Baby, these eyebrows were definitely overdue, and that lip too. Cause I mean, it was a little dark. So I had to get her waxed on up. And then we ended the weekend surrounded by family at my uncle's Legacy Barbecue. It's been 1 year since we lost Big Chuck. So this was about coming together, remembering him, celebrating his life, and continuing his legacy.
Not on a Sunday, they close on a Sunday.
How you doing?
What up, B? Grab some water out here. Pass it to my brother.
What's up, y'all? Hey, we chilling. In my heart This nigga fool.
That's old trash.
Look at that shit.
I said them sixes up. Boy, I had 5 of them.
You want some?
What you doing, girl?
I'm making up a TikTok man.
Nothing, huh? Embarrassing us. That's what.
I can't swim.
This look like a praise dance.
What's that one?
And I don't like them.
I don't like it at all.
I don't see that becoming a dance. And that's life lately. A little self-care, taking care of business, and making time for the people who matter most. Life keeps moving, but it's moments like these that remind me to slow down and appreciate it. Remember, this isn't just about losing weight. It's about transforming your life. Stay on your mission, and I'll see you in the next episode. And like my little nephew say, bye.